Alexa, switch on the main light.
Okay,
Alexa, switch on the fan.
okay.
Hi friends, मेरा नाम विशाल है and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Musafir. Today we are going to talk about home automation, touch switches जो हम कहीं से भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं using Alexa, Google Home or there are different apps which can be installed in your phone and we can use it very easily. There are two types of home automation which is recommended. One is your touch switches, modular kind of design, very easy, touch based, and it can fit in on your regular modular boards. आपको इसके लिए कोई भी अपना पुराना बोर्ड चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो आपके ऑलरेडी मॉड्यूलर बोर्ड्स लगे हैं ये उसके अंदर फिट हो सकता है. एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड वन विच इज़ अ रेट्रो टाइप. रेट्रो टाइप मीन्स कि जो आपके स्विचेस लगे हैं उस स्विच बोर्ड के पीछे ही ये लग जाएगा और आपके स्विच जैसे आप ऑन ऑफ करते हैं आप वैसे ही इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. इट विल ऑल्सो बी अटैच टू योर मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन, यानी वही स्विच आपका मोबाइल ऐप से भी कंट्रोल हो सकता है और डायरेक्टली मैनुअली भी वो कंट्रोल हो सकता है लाइक अ नॉर्मल स्विच. दिस वन डिवाइस कैन कंट्रोल अप टू 5 switches, lights, CFL, fans, sockets, anything can be attached to this retro design. So we'll talk about this in our next video. In this particular video I'm going to talk about more on our touch switches which is Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled with Alexa and Google Home. Let's get started. Hi. So we are now at our setup. This is a normal modular board. This is from Crabtree. It can fit in Anchor, Roma, Legrand. There are many other companies modular boards in which these touch switches can fit in. I have installed one fan touch switch and four. This can control four connections. So I have four connections here. It is installed in my app also here, fan and all four lights, and it is connected to Alexa also. So I'll just show you how it is. It can work from any of these three devices. Alexa, switch on the main light.
Okay.
So now Alexa has switched on the main light, which will indicate here in a blue LED. It will also switch on my app. I can switch on other lights as well using Alexa or maybe the app. So now I want to switch on the CFL. I can just click on here. Now CFL is also on. I can switch it off from this also. सो बेनिफिट क्या है कि अगर इंटरनेट नहीं है तो आप डायरेक्टली एज अ नॉर्मल स्विच भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इंटरनेट अगर है, इट इज़ कनेक्टेड टू योर वाईफाई और इंटरनेट, यू कैन यूज़ इट फ्रॉम योर एप्लीकेशन और यू कैन वॉइस कंट्रोल इट यूजिंग एलेक्सा और गूगल होम. एलेक्सा, स्विच ऑन द फैन.
Okay.
So this is now how it is controlling my fan as well. So as I said, it can be controlled from any three medium. Either it can be from the touch switches directly, or you can control it from your app, or you can control it from Alexa. How cool is it? So I will talk about it, how it is installed, what are the benefits of touch switches. Hi, I'm back. So we just saw the demo of touch switches, and now I would like to tell you what are the benefits of automation. The major benefit is you can control your touch switches from anywhere in the world. It just need to be connected to your internet. You can switch it on, switch it off, and you can do much more thing with your touch switches, with your automation. The second benefit is you can share it with your family, friends, colleague. So it's not only you who are controlling this, but you can give this rights to your family members, your friends, or your office colleagues, whosoever you want. After that you can set up a routine. So in case there's one light or one AC which need to be switched on a regular basis, you can set a routine. You can also schedule it, like it can switch on at certain time, it can switch off at certain time. You can schedule it. You can also control the intensity of light. You can dim it as per your requirement. You can dim it to 50%, 25%, 70%, whatever you like. You can also create scenes like movie scene, like you just came back home and you want to see a movie and you want that cove light should be on, your AC should be on a certain temperature fan should be on, your curtains should be closed, and TV should be on. So you can create that scene in this, a movie scene, a party scene, or any kind of a scene, a work scene. Or similarly, one another benefit which is you can rename your switches. We don't remember which switch is for which connection, so we can rename it. Which you can rename it for fan, for cove light, for your main light, for your chandelier, geyser, AC. You can rename it very easily. Now another benefit is like you can lock your switches. Now on the app there's an option of locking your switches. What happens when you lock it? If anyone tries to switch on any of the switches physically, you get an alert that someone tried to switch it on. So that's the benefit of locking your switches. Another benefit is if you have like multiple devices switch on at the same time, you can switch it off just one click. So you can go on the app. There is a scenario where you can just switch off a group, switch off at one touch. You don't need to switch off individual switches. That's another benefit. Last is last but not the least is you can definitely control it with Alexa or Google Home. So it has a voice controlled benefit. Another benefit is it has a universal remote. So now you don't need to have a different remote for your AC, for your TV, for your music system. You don't need to have different remotes. You just need to install a IR blaster and it will connect to all your remote control devices, and your application will work as one universal remote. So I hope you liked all the benefits which is there in this touch switches. Now coming to the warranty and installation about the product. So if we talk about the touch switches, the installation is very easy. Any electrician can do the installation on the same modular board. So if you can see a modular board here, you can fit a touch switch here in this modular board itself. Now coming to the warranty, if we are talking about touch switches, company gives 2 years on-site warranty. And if we are talking about retrofit, which can be installed right behind this modular board, company gives 3 years on-site warranty. And I'm happy to use this product. I hope you will be also happy once you experience it. Then you can decide whether you want to install it at your home, office, restaurant, hotel, factory, anywhere you want. And then you have the power of automation in your hand. Thank you for